Welcome students. Today we will discuss about Standard 3 Maths Division, Chapter 5 Division, page number 56. So division, the sign of division is this one. The sign of division is this one. You already know that sign of addition, subtraction, multiplication. Then this is division. Division is the process of separating the given number of objects in groups of equal number of objects. Clear? Division is the process of separating the given number. We have to separate the given number of objects in groups of equal number. Each group should be equal. Clear? Then division is repeated subtraction. You know, multiplication is repeated addition, division is repeated subtraction. So this one here I have written one example. From this example you can understand this one. Clear? That is here first you will try to understand division is repeated subtraction. You know that, you have already known that multiplication is repeated addition, multiplication is repeated addition, division is repeated subtraction. Clear? So here given, that is division is the process of separating the given number of objects in groups of equal number of objects. Clear? Division is the process of separating the given number of objects. Separating the given number of objects in groups of equal number of objects. Here from these examples you can understand. Seema has 15 strawberries. She wants to divide the strawberries into groups of 3. Clear? Into groups of 3. How many bowls are needed? Clear? So we have to separate first. Clear? Separate the given number of objects in groups of equal number. So here Seema has 15 strawberries and she wants to divide the strawberries into groups of 3. Clear? Into groups of 3. So you know that division is repeated subtraction. So here we will do subtract 15 minus 3. Why? I have written here 15 because 15 strawberries. 3 because groups of 3. Clear? So 15 minus 3 equal to 12. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 6 minus 3 equal to 3. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So how many groups? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number of bowls. Clear? This is the number of bowls. How many? 5. 5 bowls. Understood? This is division is repeated subtraction. This is repeated subtraction. So 15 divided 3 equal to 5. Clear? 15 divided 3 equal to 5. 15 divided 5 equal to 3. Understood? So 5 bowls are each 5 bowls and each bowl 3 strawberries. Clear? Each bowl 3 strawberries. Then another one, there are 37 coupons to be distributed among 7 people. 37 coupons to be distributed among 7 people. So here we will do division. So you just before doing the division you just you just understand this is the divisor, this part is the divisor part, this is the dividend part and this is the quotient part. Clear? Divisor, dividend, quotient and here is a remainder. Clear? So here 37 coupons we have to distribute it among 7 people. So 37 divided by 7. So here 37 is a dividend, 7 is a divisor and after doing subtraction, after doing division, here is the quotient. So 7, here is 37. So we have to remember the table of 37. So where is table of 7, and from 7 where is 37? If there will be no 37, then what is the nearest number? So 7 5 ja 35, 7 6 ja 42. So 42 is greater than 37. We can subtract. So we can subtract. So 7 5 ja 35. Clear? 7 5 ja 35. So now 37 minus 35. 7 minus 5 2. 3 minus 3 0. Clear? So 2 is less than 7. Now we can divide. Understood? We can divide. So this is your remainder. Clear? This is your quotient, this is dividend, this is divisor, and this is your remainder. So each of the 7 people gets 5 coupons. Clear? Each of the 7 people gets 5 coupons. 2 coupons are left. Clear? 2 coupons are left. Then dividend is the number that is to be divided. Here I already told you this one. Dividend is the number that is to be divided. So here dividend it is divided. Divisor is the number by which the dividend is divided. So this is the divisor. This one is the divisor. Is the number by which the dividend is divided. So this number is divided by this number. Then quotient is the answer of the division. This is your quotient. This is the answer. Clear? And remainder is the number of objects left over. So here 2 is the remainder, number of objects left over. Clear? Then multiplication and division facts. Multiplication and division facts. Division and multiplication are related to each other. Understood? Division and multiplication are related to each other. Division is the inverse of multiplication. So here we will find out that 7 into 6 equal to 42. 7 into 6 equal to 42. So here 42 divided 7 equal to 6. Clear? 42 divided 7 equal to 6. Then 42 divided 6 equal to 7. Clear? 42 divided 6 equal to 7. For each multiplication facts, there are 2 corresponding division facts. So this is the multiplication fact. This is a multiplication fact. So these 2 are corresponding division facts. Then page number 58, exercise 1. Complete the multiplication and division facts. So this is your multiplication. 2 into 8 equal to 16. So here first we will write this one. 16 divided by 2. 61 divided 2 equal to 8. Then 16 divided 8 equal to 2. B. Number B. 7 into 9. 7 9 is 63. So 63 divided 7 equal to, this answer is 9. Then 63 divided 9 equal to 7. Clear? Then C. 5 into 4 equal to 20. 5 4 is 20. Now 20 divided 5 equal to 4. Then 20 divided 4 equal to 5. Then D to F. D to F is your homework. You will do it in your school copy. Then page number 59. Write the division facts for the following multiplication fact. Write the division facts for the following multiplication facts. Here this is 9 into 2 equal to 18. 9 into 2 equal to 18. So 18 divided 9 equal to 2. Then 18 divided 2 equal to 9. Then B, 4 into 6 equal to 24. 4 6 ja. Here 9 2 ja 18. Here 4 6 ja 24. So now 24 divided 4 equal to 6. Then 24 divided 6 equal to 4. Then from C to F. From C to F is your homework. You will do it in your school copy. Then number 3. Write the multiplication facts for the following division facts. Here are given division facts. You will write multiplication fact. So A, 48 divided 6 equal to 8. 48 divided 6 equal to 8. So we have to find out multiplication facts. So 6 into 8 equal to 48 or 8 into 6 equal to 48. Then B, 27 divided 9 equal to 3. 27 divided 9 equal to 3. You will write 9 into 3 equal to 27 or 3 into 9 equal to 27. Then from C to F, number 3 from C to F is your homework. You will do it in your school copy. Then divide using multiplication table. Directly you will learn your multiplication table and find out the answer. A, 64 divided 8. Here you have to remember table of 8. Where is 64? 8 8 ja 64. Then 72 divided 9. 9 table where is 72? In 9 table where is 72? 9 8 ja 72. Then from C to this is D E F. C D E F is your homework. You will do this exercise 1 full. You will write it in your school copy. Thank you.